Vlogmas Day 24. It's the last day of Vlogmas. Get ready for the jingle. As you can see, it is insanely windy outside, so I am inside this morning. I tried filming outside. I don't even think you could hear me because it was so windy. It's about 21 degrees. I think we have a high of about 27 today, so it is going to be a chilly Christmas Eve. We're gonna open day 24. It's a cute little pin cushion by Moda Fabrics, and it's wearable, so you can put it on your wrist, and then you can put your pins in there, and this is absolutely adorable. I love it. So here is everything I got all 24 days of my Stitch Supply Co. Advent Calendar. Milky Way, another Milky Way. I don't know, guys. I think we were a little bit, I don't know about this one.
It must just be cheap.
Because there were so many repeats. I mean, I guess there's not that many different variations, but whatever. At least you know you like the candy. There's a hawk over on my neighbor's roof. It's pretty cool. He's just chilling. Oh! He just pooped on Kristen's roof. I thought he was gonna fly away. Fly away, buddy. Look how chubby he is.
Probably can't fly.
There he goes. Bye-bye. Oh, I waited for so long.
If you take, like, the snow is amazing. Just take the powder.
Just makes good snowballs. This is good snowball snow.
It's like
Nice.
forms.
Maybe we should have a snowball fight.
My hands are cold.
Hello, Remy. What are you doing up there? Here's the birdies. That's Kiwi. This is Rem. Hello, Remy.
Just stick them on your head and walk on it. Oh, I don't know how much he trusts you. He's like, okay, this is the new head. And there's that purple thing. Oh, now it is.
Come on. He's just chilling up there.
I knew he was on the side.
He's probably gonna poop in your hair, just so you know.
No, he hasn't done it yet. But if I feed him millet on my head, oh my gosh, you better take a shower. Is it a nice birdie? Or are you full? That's very much a possibility.
I just fed him a ton of millet, so.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Trying to make him blink at me.
sure. Now they like it.
They like the millet.
They only do that when they're like night when they're tired. Or if they're about to go to sleep. They're really nice at night.
It's done. Whew, a key. 2 boxes. Okay, so we had some more merch coming in, and this is the zipper pouch. I can't decide if I like this though or not, because you can almost kind of see that it's got a black inside. You can kind of see that through the white on the outside, so this might look better if I order them in black. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I also got my So sampler box. These were running a little bit late, so I will have an unboxing coming for this shortly, but it was, I think they had a product that was back ordered. And then I also got my Sweetwater quarterly box. And so this one, I thought I would show you what came in it. So this one says coming in March, and this is their new line, which is, I think, spring chicken. They have a little fat quarter bundle of their animal crackers line, plus a charm pack. This line is super cute. There's a little package of animal cookies in here, and then there's a tagged label. We have a pig, a kitty, and a teddy. Very cute. They've got some background fabric in here, and then there is a pattern called Little Dreamer using animal crackers, and then they have this little booklet that has some more projects in it. So this is really cute, and then it's got this little pillow on the back as well. So these boxes are quarterly. They ship them out 4 times a year, and it always includes some of their new lines with some patterns and some other goodies, and I think I've gotten a label in all of my boxes too. Anyways, this would be, I think, the December box then. Alright, so we got our other hoodie, and this is our black one, so it has a little bit of a different design, but do you like this one?
Yeah.
I do too. I like it. Alright, so all this is available. It'll be linked below. Yay! the phone again. You live in our house. Just come downstairs.
She's with us in spirit.
Because I had my birds and I didn't. Benny! Didn't want to come downstairs.
So we're trying to see Saturn and Jupiter aligning. You can kind of see them just a little bit. We got out our microscope or our telescope and we couldn't see it very well, so hopefully you guys are having a better view of it than we are. It's about to go down past my neighbor's house, so anyways, super cool. Hello, Miss Haley. How are you today?
What am I? Hi! What are you?
How are you today?
Not awake, stop.
Katie's chilling on the couch, just waiting for some good food. Are you?
Yeah.
Are you excited? What's your favorite thing?
Obviously, green bean casserole.
Obviously not green bean casserole. No, not the green bean casserole. Spaghetti?
I don't even
Ravioli?
know how.
We're having spaghetti, ravioli, garlic bread,
I
salad.
like salad, garlic bread, salad,
I have a joke.
spaghetti. I like all the foods.
Awesome, me too.
Stop jingling in the back. I have my joke.
All right, we have a joke of the day. Olivia's wearing her Christmas festive sweater, so you'll probably hear jingling in the background. Go ahead.
All right, who's Santa's favorite singer?
Moi.
No, not you. You're a horrible singer. Elvis Presley.
Elvis Presley.
Why did it take you that long?
I don't know, I didn't get it. Nana will get that one right away. Any big plans for the day? What are you guys doing?
I'm gonna go upstairs and edit a video.
That's what you're doing today? That's your plan?
I mean, I edited yesterday for that particular reason because today we have stuff.
Yeah. That stuff. We have a Jaxie on the ledge right here. What you doing, buddy? You know what I think he's looking for? Where is it? Did you hide his present?
It's right there, Mom.
Where?
On the like.
Oh, we've been moving it. It's over here now because he is clever.
What you reading there, Jax?
He's reading colors and an
An
unauthorized an unauthorized copy of Future Sale. Hey, get out of there.
Running away.
He's like,
Okay, so this is unusually light, and it looks questionably tampered with. Would you like to explain this?
I opened it
When did you open it?
this morning. Oh, it's a pour over.
Seriously?
It's a Bodum pour over.
I gave you the egg early and you couldn't wait for Christmas. You.
I wrapped it.
Merry Christmas, Jason. You're the worst. You're worse than the kids. I think we're gonna call it an evening on Vlogmas 2020. All of the kids are off playing with their toys. Jason started a movie and I got this really cool Downton Abbey afternoon tea cookbook. I'm gonna sit down and just read through that by the fire, just kind of hang out and relax. So thank you so much for joining us for Vlogmas. We hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a good 2021. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that's not happening. It's another beautiful day here in sunny Colorado. Christmas! I'll put music over it. Nobody wants to hear me singing. Holy night. Just so we know. So we accidentally stirred this. Do not stir it if you make this because it starts foaming up and yeah. Coming in handy.
You made fun of me.
I know.
You ruined the day.
So we hope you all have a very Merry Come back. Come back. Let me try one more time.
All
Just
right.
give me one more chance.
One more chance.
One more chance.
And then I'm out.
Okay. Sorry.